So we've got a 130-foot building which is supposedly a church, and it's been grounded with heavy duty grounding cable to stop the antennas that are at the top from transferring energy down to the bottom where the plug socket is. Yeah. What do you know about Tartaria? Another plug power point right there. See that? We've been lied to. 1692, and this place had power. And they need to ground it on both sides to stop the antennas from taking energy from the ether, which is above, and transferring it to ground level. Sorry about the blurriness. Transferring the ether from above to the ground level. So they create a ground loop which runs up all the way to the top of the building, connected to the antennas, and then back down the other side, and stops the energy from being, or stops people from getting electrocuted, basically. That's the whole reason for them. It's got nothing to do with lightning strikes. Because if that was the case, then what about when there weren't them cables there? The building would have got blown up by a lightning bolt, no? Crazy. There's even another one here, another power point, but it's been covered over.